In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loox for Shopify reviews. By the end, you'll have Loox installed, connected to your theme, and displaying review widgets and trust elements that boost credibility across your store. First, open your Shopify Admin so you're on the main dashboard. This is your control center for everything you'll do today. From there, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. This takes you to your Apps overview and gives you access to the Shopify App Store, where we'll find Loox. Search for Loox and install it. You'll be taken to the Loox app listing, review the details, then click to add the app to your store. Approve the permissions so Loox can place widgets on your storefront and manage reviews. Installation only takes a moment. Once it's added, start setting it up inside Loox. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose your basic preferences, like how reviews should appear and how you want the default styles to look. Keep things simple for now. You can always fine-tune later. After the initial setup, open Loox and add it to your theme. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your active theme. Make sure the theme you're editing is set as active so changes will show on your live store. If your theme supports App Embeds or app blocks, enable the Loox integration here so its widgets can load properly. Click Save, and then add a review widget. Inside the theme editor, navigate to a product page template. Add a block or section where you want reviews to appear. Choose Apps, and select the Loox Reviews widget. Position it under the product description or near the Add to Cart section, somewhere customers naturally look for social proof. Adjust the styling options so it matches your brand, then save again. Now move to your product badges. In the theme editor, add a new section and select Apps. Look for the Loox Badges option to place rating badges on product cards or collection grids. These small visuals show a star rating at a glance and help shoppers spot bestsellers as they browse. Finally, click on the Trust Badge. This Loox element showcases your store's overall rating or verification, adding an extra layer of credibility on key pages like your homepage or cart. Place it where it reinforces confidence without distracting from your main call to action, then save. That's it. Loox is installed, connected to your theme, and displaying reviews, product badges, and a trust badge to build customer trust.